everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is super exciting because we are taking you on a tour of our school. Welcome to Ivy Crescent Public School. This is our ITL Lab, a super cool place filled with techie magic.
Look at these 3D printers and mechanical project. Wow, future engineer making right here.
Bio with motors and safe equipments. Biology helps students in making safe scientific skills. Our chemistry lab, it helps ignites. It's helping to how to tell that how life is combined. Now this is where the magic of music happens. From classic to modern, we have it all: piano, guitar, tabla, sitar, and many more. This is our yoga hall, also a multi-purpose hall. Isn't it peaceful?
Yes, we meditate, stretch and even have quiet assemblies here. Ivy has 2 playgrounds, one for kids and one for big one for sports.
We have badminton, basketball, volleyball, and football. Also, sometimes skipping rope matches. This is our computer lab. Neat rows of computers, boards to take 3 or 2.
From graphic designs to basics, we have learned here so much.
This is our library, one of the favorite place. We have psychological books, creative stories, literary gems, bookworms, and this one for you.
With an advanced learning opportunities and a safe learning environment. This is our physics lab.
This is our classroom, decorative, organized, and full of learning.
We have notice board, activity charts, and super comfortable seats for studying. This is our hostel and this is our room. This bed is our.
This bed is mine. We have bunk beds and this one is mine. And we have full electricity arrangements. We have comfortable mattress for us comfortable sleep.
This is our mess and very delicious smell is coming from the kitchen.
We have full sitting arrangement for eating our delicious food. We have here all facilities: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this is our school and we totally love it.
Now it's your turn to tell us in the comment what was your favorite place spot right now and what is your favorite place in your school.